Okay, flash forward. We basically got a lantern and we went to the Farron Woods. And I believe. Ah, I don't know if that's tallow or mallow, but I know that's a monkey. Monkey, monkey. Alright, let's do this. Okay, hold on. Get my currency real quick. Help! Let me out of here! Please! Alright, tallow, mallow, whatever your name is. Give me a second. And spin attack!
I love KFC!
I'm glad that was taken care of. If you hadn't come, Fuego, gee, me and that monkey would have gotten eaten probably. She's actually a pretty nice gal. That monkey. She tried to protect me. So we got captured together. Aw, that's so romantic! Fuego? You're not gonna mention this to my dad, are you? He's always telling me to never, ever go into the dark forest. Because he says it's dangerous. So you really can't tell him. Really. You have to promise. I promise. Now get on home, you little scamp. Fuego! Oh, Russell. My son told me Tallow disappeared into the woods and had not returned. I came as soon as I heard. Oh, so his name is Tallow! I apologize. Such a task should not fall to you. Tell me, have you noticed how strange the wood seems lately? I feel uneasy about what may lie in wait. Anyway, Fuego, tomorrow is finally the day. Tomorrow is finally the day. You will be departing for Hyrule. I think it is a good thing I have given this task to you. Good luck and return safely. If you are lucky, you may even get to meet Princess Zelda. Ah! Yeah! 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 What the? Y'all see that, right? Oh, you son of a... Yeehaw! Ooh, boy. Ordon Village is my home. The lyrics are off the dome. Okay, I'll hit you with the chrome. I don't know anymore. Father! There you are, Fuego. Elia, I swear, your father's like Chinese. Oh, done herding for the day, Fuego. Well, nice work. Thanks, Mayor. The royal gift Russell told you about is ready, so you should get ready for your trip to Hyrule Castle. Now, the royal family requested this gift specifically, so it's real special. It'd be bad if the representative of Ordon were to be late for such an occasion. You get me, lad? The path before you is a long one, my sweet horse, but please bear Fuego safely along it. Wait, what's this? What's happened? She's injured, isn't she? Elia, hang on. Fuego! How could you? You were pushing Epona too hard again. I bet you hurt her leg jumping fences, didn't you? No, Elia, there's no need to get so hot with him. Father! You're the mayor. You should start acting like one. You poor thing. I messed up. Yeah, you kinda did. It'll be alright, Epona. I'll take you to the forest spring right now. Once we soothe you in the spirit spring, you'll feel better in no time. What? Hey, it's my horse! Wait, Elia! Oh, without Epona, the gift won't get delivered in time. Oh, this won't do. Oh, hey, Colin. Hey, Fuego. Thanks. Those guys are always teasing me. What's so fun about swinging something around like that? I hate it. It's scary, but when I grow up, I'm gonna be just like you. Fuego? I don't want to learn about swords or anything, but could you teach me how to ride a horse sometime? Sure. Ah, I promise. Hey, where are you going? I cannot believe I had to give up my sword. Sheesh. My outfit is dirty again. I had no idea. I hadn't heard the details about Tala's capture. But, Colin... Elia, Huh? So you still prefer your master over me, huh, Epona? Don't worry about your horse, Fuego. Fortunately, it looks like the injury isn't too serious. You two can go on together. But, Fuego, can you at least promise me this? Sure. No matter what happens in your journey, don't try to do anything out of your league. Please, just come home safely. I promise. What is that? Oh! What the hell? Elia! Dude, I think I killed her. Well, no dip, Sherlock. The coast is clear. Time for a new age to arise. Come on, boys. We have a party to catch. Oh, my head. What the... Wait, what... Colin? Elia? Epona? They must have went that way. Come on, catch up. Faster, faster. Come on, you gotta catch up. Come on. What the... What the... Huh? What is that? Let go of me! I said, let go! What is this place? What's happening to my body?